Till then, stay safe. Till then, stay safe. हे गाइज वेलकम टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबको स्वागत है। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल तुम्हें सबाइके स्वागत। आई एम मेघा घोष, in short MG, and you are watching MG Style. So as you guys already know from the title of the video, today's video is gonna be the cheapest makeup haul. I bought the cheapest makeup from Purple, and this video is gonna be super interesting. The products are like there are some gems in it, so watch the full video. This video is nothing totally out of the box. Many YouTubers before me has done this video, and I have seen Ritu Sharma's video, so I'll link her video in the description box, and you can definitely check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I have 8 products, and I'll start with the first. So the first product that I have is from Inside Cosmetics. It's a foundation. Is their ultra thin second skin long wear foundation. Now there are some of the brands which I've never tried, like I've never tried Inside before, but I'm really very impressed. So this is in the shade 04. This comes in a glass bottle, which I really didn't expect. Like, this is glass. This comes with a dropper, and I've not tried this foundation yet. So this is the consistency, as you can see, and I've not tried this yet. One thing is the shade range is not impressive, because this is the darkest shade. Like it comes in 4 shades, and this is 04. So definitely this is not the best shade range. This claims that it comes with an SPF 15 and it's full coverage, but as per as my research, this is not really full coverage. As per as I know, this is sheer coverage foundation. And let me just swatch it for you guys. So see, if I'm blending it, this is definitely not full coverage. So yeah, I'm really excited to try all of this, and I will definitely do a video of trying all this cheap makeup products. So yeah, this is definitely nowhere it's not full coverage. It's sheer coverage, like everything is visible. So it's definitely sheer coverage foundation. But yeah, I will definitely try it, and I will let you know the final verdict on it. So now comes the price. So it costed me 160 rupees, which is super duper affordable. Like, I'm really impressed with that. So yeah, I think that's a great deal. Like for 160, this is glass bottle, and the quantity is also quite good. So yeah. Now next up, I have another foundation from Faces Canada. So when I saw this product, I was really surprised. Like, Faces is a very good brand, and I really like it, and I had no idea like they have such a mini foundation for this cheap. So the packaging is really nice. I love the tube. It's golden and black, and it really looks very rich. It's 18 ml product, and it's a Faces Canada with this matte finish foundation. So this is quite a small tube. It's a mini foundation after all, and this costed me 159 rupees, but its actual price is 199 rupees. But again, Purple Me will get it for much cheaper. And this is a weightless matte foundation, and this claims to give you natural finish. So just watch it. So this is the foundation. Okay, I see no coverage as such. See, this is the foundation. It just okay. This claims to be natural and luminous, but I think this should give some coverage at least. I don't know. Like, here I see not that much, but again, before giving the final verdict, I have to try it. So yeah, I will definitely try it on one of my videos and let you guys know. But as far as what I see right now, not that much coverage. It's like your daily BB cream type ka ho sakta hai. So not a foundation. Like, yeah. But for the price, like $1.99, it's a mini foundation, and I think you can definitely grab. I love Purple for this. Like, they really don't sell everything on in MRP. Like, they have some discounts, plus you get some coupon codes as well. Overall, you get like हमेशा ही रहता है, 100-150 का तो ऑफर मिल ही जाएगा आपको coupon code. So which I really love about them. Now the next product I'm going to show is something I'm very excited about. This is the Spritz Beauty Concealer. This is the liquid concealer, and I have heard so much about this concealer. Like, this is the best cheap concealer, and trust me, all of that are true. Like, I've tried this myself, and the finish, the quality is amazing for the price you're getting it. Like, this is in the shade 04 medium beige, and again the shade range is not at all very impressive because they have very limited, they are very less shades, but the product is really great. So this comes in this type of packaging, and the concealer is amazing. Like, this one retails for 229 rupees, but I got it for 218 rupees, and this is the shade. So this can be a good, a little bit highlighting shade for me, and I just really love this concealer. So you can definitely try this. Like, till now I've not tried those two, so I can't really say about them. But if you want to really buy something from this haul, you can definitely get your hand on this. Like, this is an amazing concealer. Like, you have my word on it. And again, very cheap, 229 rupees. You can definitely get your hands on this. Next up, I have a very cute product which is from NYPay. It's their NYPay Foundation Concealer Contour Color Correction Stick. So this is, the packaging is very cute and small. I had little expectations in the shade Toffee, and I had very little expectations from this. I had no idea how it was gonna turn out, but this was one of the cheapest concealer that I could find on their website. And this is, you see the packaging and you will fall in love with it. See the packaging, it's a matte black packaging, very cute. See the size, it's very cute, super cute, and it's very travel friendly. Like, you can carry it anywhere and it will not take your space at all. So can you guess the price of this? This one retails for 125 rupees, and I got it for 113 rupees, which I think is very cheap. This is the shade, this is the shade Toffee, is the shade. This is the swatch. See, it's a beautiful shade. It's a beautiful shade. Very beautiful shade as a contour. Like, this was not the dark brown, so बहुत harsh contouring होगा. I just love those soft, contouring. So this is the perfect shade for that. So if you are from fair to medium skin tone, this will be a very good contour shade for you. And if you're from dusky skin tone family, then this will be a very good foundation stick for you guys. And I will totally recommend this because this is very smooth, cheap, and travel friendly. Though we are not traveling anywhere, sudden realization. But yeah.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Next up is the eyeshadow palette. Again, a cute one. I think cheap and cute goes hand in hand. Like, really cheap products are cute. So this one is from Beauty, and I am loving Spritz Beauty. I don't know, like, इनको बहुत ही पसंद आ रहा है ये brand. See, this is the eyeshadow, and God, I did this eye makeup with this eyeshadow, and it's amazing. See the packaging. I think this is something you want to carry when you're going somewhere. Like, the shades are all something which you wear on your daily basis. Like, I am totally a brown eyeshadow kind of a person. I love brown shadows. I love brown lipsticks. So the shades, like, you will fall in love instantly. Like, if you're someone who is a very basic person when it comes to your, eyeshadow, and you don't want to play much, this is the one you should go for. And let me just swatch the shades for you guys. And this is the today's eye makeup I have also done. Some of the shades I will swatch, not all. See the pigmentation. It's amazing. Like, let me tell you, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. And if, again, as I was saying, if you are a basic person who is like just 2 to 3 shades, brown shades में आपका चल जाता है, this is something you should be buying, because see the shades with one swatches, the pigmentation is amazing. And the packaging is, again, see the color combination, superb. I just love this. Coming to the main mudda of today, इसका प्राइस कितना है? So प्राइस है 229, but I got this for 206. तो बहुत ही सस्ता है and बहुत ही अच्छा क्वालिटी है. I'm thinking, you know what, to include more Hindi in my videos, like mixing both Hindi and English so that I can reach to more audiences. And I'm just, you know, if you know English, you will understand it. If you don't, you can just understand the Hindi part. So I'm really doing that. But जब मैं video बनाना शुरू करती हूँ, I just forget that because I have a habit of, you know, making videos in English. So I just forget that. But I'm really trying to, you know, मैं दोनों ही include करना start कर रही हूँ, and I think I will get habituated with it slowly. Now the next product is one of my favorite in this entire haul. This product is like my favorite from this whole haul. This is a highlighter again from Swiss Beauty. This is a Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter in the shade 02. Now I'm gonna do more hauls, like more, I think 2 hauls are gonna be up on my channel. So very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I think I got some more highlighters. But then this one is cheap and one of my favorite. Like, I think it's the quality, it's amazing. Just look. Can you just see? See this valley kind of a thing. I just love to look at it only. Like, see, it looks so much better in real life. मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. Let me just swatch it for you guys. There are many shades. Can you see? That थोड़ा pink shade है. This is not at all chunky. Those cheap chunky glitters जो glitters ही रहता है highlighters में, not at all. This will give you the shine. Like, you know, saying you see, no, there is no chunky glitter particles. And coming to the price, this one retails for 299, but I got this for 269. I will tell you कि if you wanna buy a highlighter, just go for this one. I will give this a 10 out of 10. Now I have last 2 lipsticks which are very affordable and very nice. So I think this time I bought a lot of makeup from Swiss Beauty and Inside Cosmetics. So I think these are the 2 brands which are really affordable and good quality. So now I'll first show you a lipstick that I got from them. This is the packaging. This is the shade 11 Coffee Command. This is the shade that I'm wearing right now. Can you guess the price? Can you guess it? Till then I'll just show you the lipstick. Just guess the price. So this is the lipstick. This is the Inside Cosmetics lipstick, and this is my first time trying Inside Cosmetics, and I think I'm really loving the lipstick. Let's watch it. This is the shade that I'm wearing today. This is a beautiful, not deep brown, not very nude, in the middle, and for dusky skin tone this can be really good brown nude shade. And I just love this shade. मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. इसका quality is again very good. Like, it's not drying. This is a matte lipstick, but it doesn't feel drying on my lips. And coming to the price, this one retails for 81 rupees. Yes, 81 rupees. इससे भी सस्ता क्या मिलेगा आपको? Like lipstick पे. So I think for 81, this is totally a steal. Quality is amazing, and you can definitely get them. And they have many shades in this range. So yeah. Now the last product that I have is again from Inside Cosmetics, is the lip gloss, and this is in the shade 13 Temptation. This is again a brown gloss. When I see this product, super affordable but good quality, it makes me so happy. मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. See, this is the gloss. Again, your daily gloss kind of a thing, like something you would really want to wear daily. And these days I'm really into gloss, and I think in 2021 gloss is in trend again. So yeah, superb. Just buy it. Don't think. This one again retails for 81 rupees, and that is super impressing. And they have many shades when it comes to this gloss. This gloss में भी बहुत ज़्यादा options है, और lipstick में भी बहुत ज़्यादा options है. So you can definitely get your favorite shade, but you can definitely try these 2 shades. I'm loving it. So yeah, that is it for all the products, and I'm gonna come super duper soon with many more haul videos because there are many more makeup that I bought. And yeah, so that is it for today's video, the cheapest makeup that I got. If you guys have enjoyed today's video, then you know what to do. I'll see you guys soon in my next video, and till then, stay safe. Bye.